How to create a mailing list in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to create and manage a mailing list. Click the mail icon here. Click Mailing Lists. As you can see here, there are currently no mailing lists set up in this account. Let's go ahead and set one up. Click Add New Mailing List. Enter a name for the new mailing list here. Enter and confirm a password. Then enter an email address for the administrator of this mailing list. Click OK when finished. The mailing list has been created. We must now add email addresses or subscribers to the mailing list. Select Add New Member. Add an email address to the mailing list by entering it here. Then click OK. You can add as many additional email addresses to this mailing list as you like by repeating this process. Click Mailing Lists. From here, you can edit existing mailing lists by clicking on them and modifying their properties. Add new mailing lists. Or delete existing mailing lists, which is what we're going to do now. Click the Remove Selected button. Confirm the removal, then click OK. That's it. We've just removed the mailing list we created earlier. Return to the Plesk homepage by clicking the Home icon. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create mailing lists in Plesk, add email addresses to them, or delete them from your account. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions.